Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well. This is your own channel Home Learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. Today's video is about correction of sentences, the mistakes we make on regular basis. There are mistakes that we commit and do not know, mistakes that we know and commit. It's all about of our ignorance of fundamental rules of grammar and current usage. Look at these sentences. Incorrect. One of my friends are engineer. Correct. One of my friends is an engineer. And the mistake is are. We will use here is because it takes a singular verb because the subject is one. Next, I don't know nothing about him. Correct. I don't know anything about him. We can't use two negative words in a single sentence. Next, incorrect. I always like to closely examine every proposal. Correct? I always like to examine closely every proposal. So where's the mistake? The sentence is an example of split infinitive. Next, incorrect. I wish I was as tall as my brother. Correct? I wish I were as tall as my brother. So where's the mistake? Yes, we will use were instead of was. I were is called the subjunctive mode and used when you are talking about something that isn't true or when you wish something was true. Next incorrect sentence is he is working hard with a view to win this match. Correct. He is working hard with a view to winning this match. So mistake is we will use to winning instead of to winning. And what's the reason behind it? With a view to we use verb first form with ing. Same as we use look forward to with verb first form with ing. It means looking forward. Next incorrect sentence is we got out of the swimming pool and dried us. Correct. We got out of the swimming pool and dried ourselves. So where is the mistake? Yes, we will use ourselves rather than us. Next sentence which is incorrect. I, he and you are neighbors. Correct. You, he and I are neighbors. So why we use you, he first and then I in the last? When the first, second and third person singular pronouns are used together, they are placed in this order. As you know, second person you, third person is he and then first person is I. Next incorrect sentence is I have read Shakespeare's works, who was a great dramatist. Correct. I have read works of Shakespeare, who was a great dramatist. So why we use works of Shakespeare instead of Shakespeare's work? And the reason is relative pronouns should be placed as close to its antecedent as possible. Antecedent means previous. Next sentence is, which is actually incorrect. Let he do whatever he likes to do. And correct. Let him do whatever he likes to do. So we will use him instead of he. But why? When the pronoun is the subject of a sentence, it means when the sentence is starting with a pronoun as a subject, the nominative case is used. And what is the nominative case? Nominative case means subject pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she and it. Next incorrect sentence is these books are for you and I. Correct? These books are for you and me. When a pronoun is the object of a verb, it should be in objective case. Next incorrect sentence is he is taller than me. And the correct is he is taller than I. Now look at the sentence carefully. If we want to complete the sentence, he is taller than I am, so we can better understand if we are not using am to complete the full sentence, so we will use only I. The correct sentence will be he is taller than I. Look at the next sentence. I love you more than him. And the correct is I love you more than he. Same is the case like previous one. If we want to use only he, so it will make a complete sense. Look at the next incorrect sentence, and that is the roads of Karachi are wider than Islamabad. And the correct is the roads of Karachi are wider than those of Islamabad. Why than those of? Let's see the reason. And the reason is to avoid the repetition of a noun in a sentence. We use that for singular noun and those for plural noun. Last but not the least, incorrect sentence is one should not waste his time. And the correct is one should not waste one's time. And the reason is so simple. In this sentence, one is an indefinite pronoun meaning anyone. The possessive of one is one's.